da bang da bang da bang da bang hudu da bang da bang da bang da bang hudu da bang da bang
Dabang, hudu dabang. It is that time. मेरे साथ दो players जो हैं, one is Gopi and the other one is Kishan. No, it's not. I'm just joking. It is Gopi with me, and I believe the other player is Gurdeep. Yes, that's right. And first, hello to Gurdeep. Gurdeep ji, how are you?
Hi, how are you? I'm very good.
Good to have you. And first time player Gurdeep?
Yes, I am.
Yes, you are. Wonderful, wonderful. Gurdeep and Gopi, I'm going to request you, if you have the radio turned on, please do turn it off in the background, just so you can hear me clearly on your phones. So, Gurdeep, you've heard this game before, right? You've heard people play this game before.
Not really.
Okay, you do not really. Okay. Very simple game. I'll give you dialogues, ask you questions, you give me answers, you get 5 seconds to answer them. So that's how it works. And Gopi will tell you how to play this game because we're going to have him go first. But उससे पहले मैं गोपी की तरफ जाऊं, मुझे आप ये बताइए कि आपकी दबंग क्वालिटी क्या है?
I'm an extrovert.
No, Gurdeep. I'm asking Gurdeep first.
Oh, okay.
Sorry,
Very
Gopi.
aggressive person and very aggressive towards success.
Wow, aggressive towards success. Wow, that's the first time I've heard that. Also, it depends what success means. It's a perception. But awesome, Gurdeep. Yeah, I love to have people who are aggressive and they're go-getters. So what are your chances of winning this game today, Gurdeep?
100%.
Wow, bravo. Talia. Can we get some talia here? Okay, well, that works too. Great to have you, Gurdeep. Let's say hi to Gopi. Gopi, how are you? Gopi, now it's your turn. Go ahead. Say hello to us.
Hey.
Okay, there you are. Gopi, great to have you. And I know, Gopi, you played before, but long time back, right?
Yeah.
Well, great to have you back on the show. Gopi, your dabang quality.
I'm an extrovert person.
Okay.
I consider that as my best.
Did you say
quality.
extrovert?
Yep.
Okay, wonderful. Extrovert person and extra. That's wonderful. And how is that a quality?
Quality-wise, like I make friends easily.
Oh, got it. Okay, so wonderful. In that sense,
Yeah.
Makes sense. Make total sense. How big of a fan are you of Amitabh Bachchan?
Huge fan.
Huge fan. Great.
Yeah, but I just need to say that just because of the confidence level of Gurpreet, I just might need to give her.
You might need to give her what? Really? Already? आपने अपने give up दे दिया? Actually, it's his birthday.
I like the confidence level she has.
I have to say, Gurdeep, क्या कहना है? वो तो आपने तो already डरा दिया है वो गोपी को. क्या हो रहा है?
Irshad.
ऐसे ही होता है. But no, don't worry, Gopi. I'm sure she's not that scary or not that aggressive. It's just the words are pretty strong. Okay, Gopi, आपसे शुरू करेंगे game आज. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. And by the way, Amitabh Bachchan जो हैं, उनका birthday आज है. So October 11th, he's turning 71 years old. He's been in the industry for a very long time. So let's start with this game. And मैं आपके लिए एक dialogue play करूंगी. उसके बाद question पूछूंगी. ध्यान से सुनना और again, it's all from Amitabh Bachchan's movies. Here's the first one.
विजय दीनानाथ जॉन पूरा नाम बाप का नाम दीनानाथ जॉन माँ का नाम सुहासिनी जॉन गांव मांडवा उम्र 36 साल 9 महीना 8 दिन
Hello.
Wonderful. Okay, so I need to know कि ये कौन सी मूवी है और किस साल. Gopi, can you hear us? Oh no, Gopi, how did you disconnect? Hello बोल के फिर अपने आप ही disconnect कर दिया. Okay, Gopi, give us a call back. 408-912-5565. 408-912-5565. And should we wait for Gopi or should we get another player? We don't know. But again, let's see if he comes back. Until then, he's supposed to tell me कि कौन सी मूवी से है और कौन से साल में ये मूवी रिलीज हुई थी. And we're going to wait. 40. Okay, so we're going to just take any new. Well, let's see if we have him back. Gopi, are you back?
Hello.
Yes, Gopi, are you back? You're back with us.
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
You heard the dialogue. And आपको मुझे बताने की कौन सी मूवी से है और कौन से साल में ये मूवी रिलीज हुई थी.
Movies Agnipath.
Okay, हाँ, that I knew would be really easy, right? मगर मुझे बताना कि
Yeah, I know.
साल कौन सा है?
Year, I'm not sure.
I
Might
know.
be like 1970s. I'm not sure which year.
आपको लगता है 70s
Like
में आई थी ये मूवी?
1970s.
Okay, give me a
I
best
don't know
guess.
the exact year.
Give me the best guess. Oh my God, Gopi, are you there? Okay. And I think we lost Gopi again. My God, again. Let's take another player. Okay, who do I have? I hate when this happens. Okay, so we're looking for another player, and let's see if Gopi's back. Gopi, are you back with us? Who do I have? Okay, आज मुझे लगता है कि nobody's going to win today. Nobody's going to win today. So we're going to take new players, both of them. I don't know what's happened with Gurdeep or Gopi. And let's try to see if we get somebody back here. Who do I have? Okay, turn off the radios when you call me. Who do I have?
This is Priya.
Priya. Okay, Priya, you're going to be on, and let's take another player. Who do I have?
Today. Nobody's going to win.
Okay, turn off the radios when you call me. Who do I have?
Priya?
Who is it?
Priya?
Priya. I have two Priyas. Okay. I do have two Priyas. And we're going to... Actually, one I think dropped. This is not working well today. Who do I have?
This is Aniket here from
Aniket, great. And Priya, are you still there? Priya, are you still there? Okay. And we're going to see if we get another caller. Who do I have?
This is Gopi again.
Gopi, thank God. Okay. So, Gopi, you have a new player, Avinash, am I right?
Aniket.
Okay, Aniket, you're going to be with us. And if you this time drop, it goes automatically to Aniket, okay, Gopi?
Okay.
Okay, kaun si movie, kaun sa saal? Jaldi batao.
Movie is
Agnipath. You have to tell me the year.
I'm not sure about the year. 1990.
Kitna bada guess mara. You're absolutely right on 1990. Amazing. It's a joke. 10 bari gir ke internet pe jaake you got the answer. I know it. Okay, no, I'm just joking.
All the time I've been trying to get back on the line. I just have two hats. Right?
Okay, here it is. Here it is. Your agla dialogue. And ध्यान से सुनो, drop किया तो देखना. Here it is.
लेकिन मैं अकेले नहीं करूंगा. मैं सबसे पहले साइन नहीं करूंगा. जाओ पहले उस आदमी का साइन लेकर आओ जिसने मेरे बाप से साइन लिया था. पहले उस आदमी का साइन लेकर आओ जिसने मेरी मां को गाली देकर नौकरी से निकाल दिया था. जाओ पहले उस आदमी का साइन लेकर आओ जिसने मेरे हाथ पे ये लिख दिया था. उसके बाद मेरे भाई तुम.
ओके, मुझे बताओ कौन सी मूवी से है ये? जल्दी से, गोपी. Go ahead, Gopi. Gopi, are you there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Okay, what movie is it?
Diwar.
Diwar is absolutely right. Here it is, your next one, and let's see if you... Thank God. Okay, and let's see if you know this one, and here it is, आपका अगला dialogue. ध्यान से सुनिएगा.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जिंदगी तेरी जुल्फों की नरम छांव में गुजरने पाती तो शादाब हो भी सकती थी.
Okay, मुझे बताओ कौन सी मूवी से है?
कभी कभी.
Absolutely right. My God. After dropping 10 times, he's gotten it right. All three of them. Okay, Gopi, good play. Let's see how well Ankit plays. Ankit, are you ready?
I am. Yeah.
Okay, here it is, your first dialogue.
डॉन का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है, लेकिन सोनिया, एक बात समझ लो, डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है.
Okay, you have to tell me कि कौन सी मूवी से और कौन से साल में ये मूवी रिलीज हुई थी?
Dawn,
that I know. Okay, what year?
1978 or 9.
कौन सा? जल्दी से एक चूज करो.
70. I go with 78.
78 is absolutely right. He's got it right. Woo! Okay, good. Here it is, Ankit. Your next one. Listen carefully.
मेरे लिए उस रास्ते पर चलना मुमकिन नहीं.
मुमकिन है बादशाह खान. जेल की सलाखों को तोड़कर हम तुमको यहाँ से बाहर निकाल के ले जाएगा.
ये काम मैं भी कर सकता है.
नहीं भी कर सकता है. अच्छा, मुझे बताओ कौन सी मूवी से है ये, अंकित?
I remember that, but
बादशाह खान, ये मैं भी कर सकता है. And your time is up. खुदा गवाह.
yo.
Yeah. Okay, ये last dialogue है, and let's just play it for the game's sake. Here it is.
जो लोग आपके सामने सर झुकाया करते थे, उनके सर उठ गए. मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि आप इतने गुलामी पसंद इंसान हैं. आपको तो गुलाम चाहिए, जो मशीन की तरह बटन दबाए।
Okay. कौन सी मूवी?
Pass.
Ankit, there is no pass, okay? And go ahead. What is it?
Not Hindustani. Just wild guess.
No, Sharabi. It's Sharabi. And Ankit, thank you so much for coming on. And I know we got you at the last minute, but we got you. Thank you for playing. And Gopi, what are the chances, right, of you winning? What are the chances? And is he still on?
100%.
आपने गुरदीप को तो डरा दिया, वो बेचारी ड्रॉप हो गई, फिर आप ड्रॉप हो गए, फिर वापस आ गए. By God, your luck must be really good. Here it is to you. आज का दबंग.
आज मुझे बनना था आज का दबंग.
Well, go ahead, tell the whole brewery that you're आज का दबंग.
Hey, baby, this is Gopi from Fremont, and I'm Aaj Ka Dabang.
Yes, you are. Email me ritu@klok1170am. That's again ritu@klok1170am.com.